What if I told you everything that you see, taste, and touch is made up of energy, even you? Sounds fascinating, right? But what does this really mean? And how can it help you create the life that you desire? Let's explore this together. Its core, everything in the universe is energy vibrating at different frequencies. This isn't just spiritual talk. This is backed by quantum mechanics. The chair you're sitting on, the phone that you're using, and you are all made up the same energy vibrating at a different frequency, which gives the illusion of separation and solidity. It's vibrating packets of energy. Quantum mechanics, the Higgs field, go into how particles get their mass. There's a field of infinite quantum potential, and this field also encompasses your thoughts and your emotions, because your thoughts and your emotions are energy. So that means when you're thinking a thought, when you're feeling an emotion, you're sending a vibration out into the universe. How feeling happy feels light and uplifting, while when you feel angry, you feel constrained and heavy. The energy of emotions and action. For example, constantly stressed or angry, your energy vibrates at a lower frequency. But positive emotions like love and gratitude raise our vibration. In quantum terms and universal laws, similar frequencies attract one another. That's why your energy is so important. It influences what you attract into your life. A quick exercise that you can use, something simple. Each time you feel stressed or overwhelmed, stop and take 3 deep breaths. Imagine a calming light filling your body, raising your energy. This small shift can have a ripple effect on your day. Try this. Start your day with one positive thought. Set an intention. Today, I will feel calm and focused. It's amazing how this subtle shift can align your energy. You know, change starts from the inside. You have to start becoming aware of your habituations, your habitual thoughts and emotions. Because remember, everything is energy. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel sends a vibration out into the universe. And that vibration is mirrored back to us in our life, in circumstances, opportunities, lack of opportunities, the people that we encounter, the difficulties, the ease. Everything is a mirror of the energy that we are projecting. If this resonates with you and you're curious to learn more about the energy of existence and how it shapes your reality, I've created a free mini course. In it, we dive deeper into energy, emotions, and universal laws, giving you tools to align your life with the outcomes you desire. Click the link below to get started. It's completely free. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more content on how to align your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with a life you desire.